Hey everybody, it's the Nerd John 71 here, back again with another awesome video. This is a quick video I wanted to make for my mom. I want to say I love my loving mom, Spacey Tracy. As of last year, 2024, I've started a little collection here, as you can see. My mom, she surprises me with DoorDash. She surprises me with DoorDash Happy Meals. And as you can see, these are all the toys I've collected so far. Mr. Krabs, characters from Sonic the Hedgehog, Despicable Me 4 Minion, Optimus Prime and Bumblebee, Poe from Kung Fu Panda 4. Yep. Sadly, I do not have Sonic and Amy yet, but every single one of these collectibles, when their collections are completed, every single one of them will be getting their very own episode of the Fast Food Toy Chronicles. Knuckles, Shadow, Tails, Poe, Bumblebee, Optimus Prime, Dave the Minion, Rouge the Bat, and Mr. Krabs. Big shout out to my loving mom, Spacey Tracy, for starting my DoorDash toy collection. That's what I'm going to call this little series. DoorDash Toy Collection. Thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome videos coming soon. Merry Christmas, everyone. I'm the Nerd John 71, signing off. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video, everyone.